Liisinka. Today is his 10th birthday, my little solstice boy. So cute. So cute. He's just a baby. He's just a baby. We have some stuff planned for him. However, I am having an active migraine right now. So just gonna wait until that goes away, and hopefully that will allow us to celebrate. Now, Whiskey, are you ready? Are you ready? Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy.
Wait. Back. 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 Where'd he go?
Rip you up like a burrito.
She's got a mouse and she's just like jumping back and forth.
We're gonna make a kill.
Get it, Willow?
He's so cute, he's so small. Oof. Wait. Whiskey. You didn't leave, you didn't attack people. They just walked by and he didn't do anything. Bye, Whiskey. Have a good time. And Mommy has 1,000 errands to run, so that's what we're gonna do now. Let's see. Okay, first stop, Safeway. We have a good boy here. Okay, I got some migraine prescription and some Fresca and some ginger ale. And now we're gonna go to PetSmart to choose gifts for Whiskey. And let's see what they have, because we need a lot of stuff. So for Whiskey's cake, we usually get different size of wet canned food and just put it all together to make it look like a cake. And whipped cream on top with the strawberry. So let's choose a smaller one. I think that should be it. So this was lamb chops too, and this should be, what shall we choose? Turkey, chicken, lamb, beef, lamb, turkey, chicken. Oh, it's the same. Okay, let's do surf and turf this one. And beef. Okay, now we gotta choose treats, training treats.
Did you get that?
No. Oh no. Okay. Not too bad. Not super solid. Oh, Whiskey, you're gonna be the ugliest cake, but I know it's gonna be good.
Might be on the next. Squeeze a little.
Whoops.
Nice.
Okay. There.
Good way.
Okay. Only once. 1 second. Yeah.
Nice.
Did you know that in Russian B is V, so it's actually stands for whiskey?
Whiskey.
Whiskey. Follow Daddy. Where's Daddy?
Oh.
Where's Daddy?
Doing the shade.
Sit.
Do we need to sing?
Wait. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Whiskey. Happy birthday to you. Okay, go. Go.
Go.
Whipped cream first. Should have done the microphone. Are you being picky?
Eat from the top.
Wait. Wait. All right.
Oh my god.
That was a big bite.